Hey there, this is Scott Johnson with Brown Cow Design, and today I've got a new tutorial that I've put together for, mainly these are for my clients for educational purposes to learn how to do what they need to do with their websites. But if you've stumbled upon this across this video, you might find it helpful as well on how to update certain elements of your WordPress website. Now, for my clients, all the websites that I build are obviously on the WordPress platform, and they all utilize one theme called the 7. So all of my clients have the 7 theme. And in the old days, I had 2 videos on how to update your theme and then how to update the plugins that came with your theme. For the 7, there are certain plugins that come with the theme that we use. And then like how to update the rest of your plugins and how to update WordPress. So as things have progressed and changed, obviously in the last 6 months to a year to 2 years, the 7 now updates its stuff differently, and it actually updates itself the same way all of the other plugins would update. So I wanted to show how to do that, how to update your plugins, your theme, and then I'll touch just briefly on how to update WordPress if your site doesn't automatically update it for you. So when you log into your site and you are going to go and update certain elements here, themes and stuff, you're going to go to the dashboard. You're going to see updates right here. You're going to see that you have a number right here that lets you know how many you have. You click updates and it goes to the page that has what needs to be updated. In this case, we can see right here that the theme, the 7, needs updated. This would have been in the old days in a different place. Now it's right here on one page that updates. This theme, this plugin, WordPress plugin called the 7 WP Bakery Page Builder. It is what you use to, build your pages and you can't put your content in. And this one's called the 7 Ultimate Add-ons for WP Bakery Page Builder. And this is gives you extra elements to use when you're building. These 2 things are branded the 7 because they come with the 7. And so in order to update these 2 things, you used to have to go in a different place to do that. You used to have to come over here to the 7 and go down to the plugins and to update them separately. You don't have to do that anymore. All you have to do is simply come to this updates page, come here and select all, and update all of the plugins like this. You do not have to go in a different place to update the 7's plugins. All you have to do is to come into one place to do that, which is where you would come for all of your other plugins that were not the 7 plugins that didn't come with the theme. So all you have to do is very simply come under dashboard to updates, click it just like you would all the other stuff, and everything is in one place. All the plugins are in one place. So you can do all of your updating very, very simply. Once you update the plugins, it will let you know that the plugins have all been updated, and then you can go back to this updates page to update the theme. It's very, very, very simple. Okay, so I cut the video so that we don't have to sit here and wait. But once they're done, now you'll come, these plugins, all 5 of them updated. You'll come back here, return to WordPress updates page. And now we want to update the theme. And here it is. Click select all. There's only one here to be updated. But if there are other themes that needed to be updated, you could click select all. It'd select every one of them and update themes. Okay, so I cut away for time as well with updating the theme. We're back now. We're going to touch on how to update WordPress. Click return to WordPress updates page, and you will not have it. This one does not have an update for WordPress. But when WordPress does have an update, it will show up right here on the WordPress updates page, and it will say that you have a new version of WordPress, and there will be a button that says install now. Well, we don't. It says you have the latest version of WordPress, but you can reinstall it if you have some sort of issues. It'll reinstall a fresh version of WordPress. But this is where it would be if you need to update WordPress. So that is really how simple it is to keep your website up to date as far as its plugins, its themes, and your version of WordPress. Those are the three main things to keep updated on your site to keep it healthy and clean from hackers and that kind of stuff. So thanks for tuning in. See you later.